Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel where the news comes first on Reality Latest Gist, the headlines. The alleged fake voters card. The PDP said that APC candidate Mondo Obolo is no longer in a gubernatorial race. By be small matter. Moving on after this, we have the Federal High Court in Abuja sent the ex-power minister to prison over alleged 33.8 billion fraud. But guys, before comments fully, welcome back to our wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us in today's news. If today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. So guys, let's proceed. The People Democratic Party declared that the All Progressive Congress and their candidates in the September 21st, 2024 Edo State governorship elections, Senator Mondo Obolo, have forfeited their right to contest the poll as a result of an alleged shocking revelation that the APC candidate is not a registered voter. So according to PDP, they said the voting status of the APC candidate came to light after check on the Independent National Electoral Commission portal. So the National Publicity Secretary of the PDP, Honorable Debo Lubunawa, said that the alarming discovery that the APC candidate allegedly presented a fake voter's card in his Form EC9 submitted to INEC is a self-inflicted blow, which states that APC own don't finish in this Edo State gubernatorial election. So it is indeed surprising that APC sponsored a candidate with alleged questionable documents as a governorship candidate for Edo State, who is noted for being very credible and highly respected citizens. So it is now apparent to them as to why the APC submitted to INEC a blur and unreadable voter card purporting same to be that of their candidate and had remained silent since the news broke out. Honestly, PDP they wonder why APC never talk anything since they said voters card of Mondo Obolo is allegedly forged. I make the publicity secretary of PDP Olubunabale said it is an act of impunity by the APC. And it has amounted to an assault on the sensibility of the generality of the people of Edo State and their nation democratic practice. They say without remedy that the APC and their candidate, Senator Mondo Obolo, are not eligible to contest the September 21st, 2024 governorship election by virtue of the express provision of Section 102.1 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, Section 114 of the Electoral Act 2022 and Section 467 of the Criminal Code Act. So the clear implication is that the APC campaign in Edo State is a journey to nowhere, as any vote cast for the APC in the September 21st, 2024 Edo State governorship election would be a void vote and effort in futility. PDP talk say available information to their party indicate that some APC leaders are allegedly mounting pressure on certain INEC officials to compromise the commission's data and impute fabricated voter registration information for the embattled APC candidates. So the matter don't reach PDP ear, and I make they don't caution INEC chairman, say making no succumb to the pressure by the APC, as the public is already aware of hard evidence available in INEC portal showing that the APC candidate is not registered as a voter. Say if APC know what's good for them, may their candidates withdraw from the race because they cannot legally participate in this election. The PDP also urged the people of Edo State to remain alert while working together to ensure that they triumph with the election of Dr. Wahàlur at the September 21st governorship election in Edo State. My brother, be small matter, PDP they happy say their own candidate they said nullification of primary election, but APC own be say his voters card was allegedly forged. So PDP they ask who come better pass each other now. So my people, I would like to know what you think about this matter in the comment section. I would like to hear from you now. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. Federal High Court in Abuja ordered on Thursday the remand of a former Minister of Power, Saleh Mama, over the 33.8 billion money laundering case against him. The court ordered his remand in Kunje Correction Center after the Economic and Financial Crime Commission arraigned him on 12 money laundering charges. Mr. Mama, who served as the Minister of Power from August 2019 till September 2021, when he was unceremoniously removed from office by Mr. Mohamed Buhari, denied all the charges read to him in the courts. So, preparing to the filing of the charges, the EFCC detained Mr. Mama in May 2023, about 20 months after his removal from the office and less than 3 weeks before the end of Buhari's tenure. So, on Thursday, the judge, James Omotosho, ordered Mama remain in prison after he entered a not guilty plea to all the 12 counts against him. So, defense lawyer Femi, a senior advocate of Nigeria, informed the judge that he already filed a bail application on behalf of his clients. So, EFCC Prosecution Counsel Adeyinka Olumide acknowledged service of the bail application on him at about 12:30 on Thursday. So, the judge, Mr. Omotosho, said that application had yet to reach the court files, but he then prayed to court to allow him to return to argue the bail application on Friday. The FCC lawyer did not oppose the request, so the judge agreed to hear the bail application on Friday, but ordered the ex-minister remain in Kuje prison. My people, you don't even reach how many minutes. The news started making rounds when the lawyer of Mr. Mama reported that Mr. Mama slumped within the court premises while waiting for the court section to commence. So the ex-minister walked into the courtroom, entered the dock with part of his clothes drenched when the matter was called in the morning. So when asked about his look by the judge, the defendant said water was poured on him, apparently to resuscitate him when he collapsed earlier. The former minister explained that he collapsed outside the court because of the drug he took on an empty stomach. He also said that his blood pressure dropped while waiting outside for his case to be called. So Mr. Ate also said Mama, upon being brought into the premises of the court, collapsed, had to be resuscitated and treated by the medical personnel of the Federal High Court. The judge asked Mama if he was fit enough to take his plea, and he responded in the affirmative. The judge later postponed the arraignment till 1 p.m. My people, concerning Mam's travel, NAN reports that the EFCC is prosecuting Mr. Mama on 12 counts of money laundering. So it was reported that his arrest in May last year was linked to alleged diversion of funds from the accounts dedicated to Zagure and Mabilia hydroelectric power project. He was sacked alongside then Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development Mohammed Sabonono on September 1st, 2021 in what the presidency described as a fallout of president's move. So the removal of minister and appointee was generally a rarity during the administration of President Muhammad Buhari. So on few occasions when that happened, it involved massive infraction that were too weighty to overlook. So curious member of the public has speculated that the reason for sacking Mr. Mama within 2 years of his appointment was likely to be more than cabinet reshuffling. So now people they attack and say when they steal the money, it no collapse. It reached the time where people they want to arraign now because of the money where he steal. It can't collapse. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions, and in the comment section. I would love to hear from you once again. Thank you so much for staying to us. We do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment, winners. Stay safe, guys. Bye.